The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new M-series phone in China called Redmi M100. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi M100 features a tall 6.9-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 825 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 629 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Redmi M100 sports a 13-megapixel main camera on the rear, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,900 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support and 22.5 watts reverse fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 170.12 by 78.42 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 232 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi M100 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Star Rain White, Wilderness Green, and Midnight Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi M100 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.